Such a beautiful little garden.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Pretty old. Good job.
These are like itty bitty flowers.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Oh, there's the falls are through here. You can see the falls through here. This is a nice little park.
Yeah, it's an awesome little park.
This is really pretty.
Imagine for 4th of July, like when they do fireworks.
Oh,
falls, like
yeah.
sitting up here.
She puts her hand in mine.
This is so beautiful.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running.
There's so many colors.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna
Are these little baby pine cones? They are little baby pine cones. They are so cute.
two hearts running wild.
What are these? These are like little red fuzzy tail things.
From the pine cones.
This is what they look like?
We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running.
Out of the garden into the city.
No, Touristville.
Touristville. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. That is Touristville, isn't it? Holy shit. It reminds me, where were we when we rode that,
Rocky Mountains, maybe?
we rode the ski lift thing for the first time? It reminds me kind of that.
Another tourist
So we're going up this hill?
Yeah.
Alright. My only goal is to find poutine. So Chris got on Google and he says that he found like the poutine, what is it called? Poutine?
Poutineery.
Poutineery. Poutineery.